In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Cloudways account. If you've already moved your websites elsewhere, finished a project, or no longer need your hosting setup, it's important to fully close the account instead of just deleting servers and walking away. On Cloudways, removing a website or server does not automatically cancel the account itself. Since the platform uses post-paid billing, you need to complete the account cancellation process properly to avoid future charges and to make sure your account data is no longer active. First, sign in to your Cloudways dashboard and go to the server section from the top navigation bar. Before Cloudways will let you cancel the account, you need to make sure there are no active servers left in your workspace. For each running server, open the Options menu on the right side and choose Delete Server. You'll then be asked to confirm the deletion by typing the required confirmation text. Take your time here because this step permanently removes the server allocation. Once your infrastructure is cleared, the next thing to check is billing. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and open the account area. From the left-hand menu, select Billing Details. Here, review your current usage and look for any unpaid balance tied to your hosting activity during the current billing cycle. If a final charge appears, go ahead and pay it immediately. This is an important step because an outstanding balance can prevent the account from being closed successfully. After that, stay inside the account section and look through the left sidebar for Cancel Account. Click it to open the cancellation page. Cloudways will show you a confirmation screen explaining that your account information, settings, and related history will be permanently removed. Read this carefully so you know exactly what will happen once the request is submitted. To finish the process, complete the exit form on that page. Choose the reason that best matches why you're leaving, then follow the on-screen confirmation requirement. Depending on what Cloudways shows you, this may involve entering your account password or checking the confirmation box. When everything is complete, click Cancel My Account. At that point, the cancellation request is submitted and you'll typically be signed out of the platform. As a final safety check, open your email inbox and look for the official confirmation message from Cloudways. That email is your proof that the account closure was processed successfully. It's a good idea to keep it for your records in case you need to confirm the cancellation later. And that's it. You've now fully deleted your Cloudways account the right way while avoiding leftover billing issues and making sure your hosting profile is properly closed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.